I'm a software engineer. After 8 to 10 hours of screens, the worst thing that I can do is look at another one. So I bought an outdoor hammock from Outsunny Aosom and tested whether 140 pounds of wood and cotton can actually replace doom scrolling. This is the Outsunny Wooden Hammock, wooden frame, cotton bed. It comes with a stand, so you don't need any perfectly spaced out trees. I've had it in the garden for about 2 weeks now. I'm going to walk you through the unboxing, the assembly, two features that really mattered, and one that I would perhaps change, and the final verdict for me as a developer and for anyone who works from home and want an off-screen recovery space. Quick context: Smart Tech with Sid sits at the intersection of smart home, developer setup, as well as smart garden content. Most of the garden videos here are about the garden renovation, smart irrigation systems, and the tools that enable the same. This one is a little bit different. It's about what you do in the garden once all of the work is actually done. The reason I went with Outsunny specifically, they ship from a UK warehouse, they are a known brand here, and the wooden stand variant means you don't need two trees in the right places. Out of the box, two wood frame uprights, two long support beams, the cotton hammock bed, a bag of hardware, and the instructions. Build quality is solid out of the gate. Thick wood, reinforced rope end loops on the bed. Assembly took me about 45 minutes solo. This could have been done in about 25 to 30 minutes with a second pair of hands. About halfway through, I made one mistake. I tightened the cross beams fully before slotting the hammock bed into the rope loops. The frame had zero flex once everything was torqued down, so I had to back the bolts off, slot the bed in, and retighten. Cost me about 15 minutes. There it is. Stand up, hammock in, ready to test. Here's the bit that I really care about. Does this actually work? 2 weeks of test, mostly after work, around 7 or 8, once the day cools off. Two things genuinely matter. One, it's wide enough for an actual lie down, not just photo prop sitting. The cotton bed is generously sized. I'm 5'11" and there's room at the head and the feet. 2, the wooden stand holds steady on uneven lawn. I was expecting a wobble on grass, but the 4 contact points spread the load and the frame has zero flex when you climb in. If you have been following the lawn restoration series, this is the same lawn from the Hyundai Scary Fire video. 3 weeks on, the reseed is working. And this is what the recovery zone now looks like. First, this is a single person model. If you wanted a double for a partner, you'd have to go for a different version. Second, the wooden frame is going to require a moisture protection coating if you plan on leaving it outside throughout the UK winter. Personally, I'll leave it inside the garage November to February, but you could also just accept the maintenance. Who is this actually for? Anyone who works from home, finishes the day feeling screen burned, and has a strip of garden to put a hammock on. Anyone who wants a low effort outdoor space without committing to the cost of a permanent structure. Easiest recovery zone I've built in an afternoon. Final verdict. This is what I'm using for the rest of the summer. It works, it's solid, and it does the one job that I bought it for. Outsunny sent this to me, but the editorial voice here is mine. Aosom were great about this. I'll definitely work with them in the future. Code in the description will get you a discount on the Aosom website, and I'll also link this exact module in the description in case you want this exact one. In the next video, we'll add on a massager to this recovery space. Subscribe so that you don't miss it. See you in the next one.